Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Lampang Ïingdorbar Thaw an gejala ba met ba lengdo ne ka Sngi ula pentip ba ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka ne ka budget session hapo Ïingdorbar Thaw an gejala kan Sdang ha ka Tarik Lber hajar arpuai bat kan kut ha ka khat khanai Tarik Lber hajar arpuai nakaliang lampang Ïingdorbar Thaw an gejala ula itu ru ba nakaliang jong bat menteri rang ba gejala ukurat sangma kelai kendu ya lampang Ïingdorbar Thaw anh trong cả lok sabha ban kerpat ban mang pisa naga benda ke jingtei yak Ïingdorbar Thaw anh batamai ha ke jela ulai itu ru babaro kamang pisa kalong arspa klur bat naga liang ke jela kalapan nak sorkar pedeng kumba shispa klur Tyngka kenang bakin la ban pendep yak ni ke Ïingdorbar ha ke por ke babiang susu ula ban rabru ba kumalong menda ke jingtei yak Ïingdorbar Thaw anh ke jela kalayat shat bat ngikermen mangin la ban pendep ya kene ke yeng ha kapor ka babiang
you all that the business advisory committee set today to finalize the draft calendar for the budget session 2020-21. The draft calendar is as follow. The first day of the session will be on 5th March 2021 and it will continue till the 19th of March 2021. It has been decided that we will have government business for 7 days and we will have private members business for 4 days, which is total to 11 days. The budget presentation will be on the 10th of March 2021, where the government business is going to be taken up on that day. Where we have discussed, this is the second meeting that I happen to be in Delhi to meet him, and in fact I had asked him for some sort of help in facilitating the funding of the new assembly building. We understand that the state government cannot go up the door. They have assured that they will try to, see that whatever funding for the building will be taken care of. But after I've spoken with the Honourable Chief Minister, he has, addressed that due to some constraint because of this pandemic and other issues. So therefore, I requested the Honourable Chief Minister, after my first meeting with the Honourable Speaker of Lok Sabha, to meet him and to apprise him more about the need of how exactly the funding from the central government. So in fact, the total budget for the estimates for the new assembly building is about 200 crores approximately, and we had seek for about 100 crores, and the same has been made aware with the 15 Finance Commission. So the 15 Finance Commission has recommended around 100 crores for the new assembly building, and after we have met the Honourable Speaker, we got the chance to meet the Honourable Finance Minister also during my last visit with the Honourable Chief Minister, and we have requested her that to kindly consider and approve all the recommendations made by the 15 Finance Commission, especially from my side, other than what the Chief Minister, like the government, proposals which has been recommended by the 15 Finance Commission, in particular, that she will look into and see that how they can accommodate that recommendation.
So what is the progress of work regarding the construction of the new assembly building?
The progress of work is very much as per the bar chart that we have made, and in fact tomorrow we are planning to have the another round of visit for inspection for the progress of work. But the consultant who is supposed to come from Delhi, we are a little bit doubtful whether he will be able to make it. If they cannot make it, I think we have to postpone the same till day after tomorrow, 17th of this month itself, to have another round of the visit. The progress is very good, and more or less the civil work is more or less completed. The portion of the dome part is in progress, and we hope that that also will be completed very soon, latest by end of this month. Well, as of now, I think whatever, as I've said, we had made a bar chart, like on item wise of the construction. So it is going as per that. So I didn't see that we will not be able to do it. Well, UDP, we had gone ahead. Last week I was in William Nagar and Bakmara especially, and they had invited me to come and attend one public function there. From the party side, we hope we will be opening some, seats as far as this consolidation in Garhwals. We had already announced 3 candidates in 3 constituencies.
Any more?
In Bakmara, South Garhwals.
Total in Garhwals, how many?
As of now, we have invited applications from all those who are interested to contest from UDP, and there's a good response. So the last date for the same will be on the 23rd of this month. So post 23rd, we will be able to tell you that how many candidates, but we will be putting up good number of candidates this time. We have already constituted a committee who will look and draw the outline about the manifesto for this upcoming council elections. So that also, I think in very short time, we will be able to finalize the manifesto for the party.
So your reaction as a chief of the United Democratic Party in regards to the ongoing strike by the commercial vehicles, sir?
Well, I think the state government, as I've seen, they have already responded to what the agitations which is on. And today I was trying to reach the chief minister, but he's not reachable because he's in Thaw. And just now we had the VSC, so I had discussed the same with the deputy chief minister and addressed that they will try to, end up this, agitations which was called by the taxi associations and other organizations with regards to the fuel price in the state. So they have given some sort of assurance. I could see that maybe at the latest by tomorrow, I think things will work out. But I also saw the organizations who have called for this, strike. I think this has created a lot of inconveniences to the public at large. So I feel that once they have, expressed their the points of which is against the the price hike by the government, I think they should at least give some time for the government also to work it out, understanding the the inability of the chief minister who was not in station. So I understood that the chief minister will be back today. If possible, I would like to request this organization at least to call off the strike, because this has created a lot of inconvenience to the public in general.